All right, Ray-Peck, this is going to be a short tutorial video about how to use QuickTime to record your screen. First thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have QuickTime available on your device. Now, since QuickTime is an Apple product, you're going to be using this when you're using your MacBooks. So I use QuickTime so frequently that I actually have it down here in my quick access toolbar. But if you haven't used it yet, or not very often, chances are you'll have to go to Launchpad to find it, and it should be in there somewhere. If you have a lot of applications sitting in your Launchpad, you may need to go to Search and type in QuickTime. Once you find it, you'll click on it, like so. At first, you might think nothing happened, but you have actually opened it. You can tell that QuickTime is open because there's a little dot underneath the icon that indicates QuickTime is running. Also, if you look in the top left-hand corner of your screen, you can see that QuickTime Player is open. What you'll need to do to actually use QuickTime Player is to simply click on File and choose New Screen Recording. If you'd like to just record audio, you can do that. If you would like to record using your computer's built-in camera, you can do that as well. But most frequently, teachers are using screen recording to help demonstrate to students where to go and what to do while on their devices. QuickTime is a great option for creating these sorts of videos when you have something a little bit longer to share. Screencastify, which is another tool that's used for the same purpose, is very useful for shorter videos, under 5 minutes. So think to yourself, is this going to take 5 minutes or less? If so, use Screencastify. It's really nice and easy to use. If it's a longer video, 5 minutes or over, probably ought to use QuickTime. So assuming you want to do a screen recording and not a movie or audio recording, all you'll do is select New Screen Recording. Once that has been selected, you'll see this option bar pop up here on your screen. The first few are screenshot type options. This is usually not what you're using QuickTime for. You're meaning to create video recordings, not still images. So you have two options for video recording. You have your entire screen or just a selected portion of your screen, which can be resized. I usually choose my entire screen. You have some other options to choose as well. Would you like to show mouse clicks in your video? Would you like for that to be illustrated? If not, you can deselect it. Now it's no longer selected. Would you like for every time you log into QuickTime for your last set of settings to still be there? If so, leave this on. Would you like to see a floating thumbnail? If so, leave that selected. If not, deselect it. A lot of times, if it's your first time using QuickTime, your microphone will actually be shut off. It'll be deselected. And you might get confused about why can they not hear me? It's because you need to select built-in microphone. So don't look past that. If you would like a countdown before you get started, a chance to collect yourself, select a timer of 5 or 10 seconds. When you're ready, click record. There's my 5-second countdown, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm recording. I'll show my students what I want to show them. After it's over, I'll click stop at the top of my screen. And now I have it. All I'll do is rename it and save.